Hello, we're going to learn about quadratics today. First, you need to use the quadratic formula. Ooh, what is it? We'll tell you today, not tomorrow, today. The quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a.
Yay.
It's also put into song form. You replace a, see a, with the quadratic problem, which should be a squared plus b bx.
It's ax squared
yeah,
plus
it's
bx plus c equals 0. That is
that's
the quadratic equation.
That's the quadratic formula.
Equation.
Equation.
Quadratic equation.
I got
Carla.
it. I got it, my friend. I got it.
And so what you can do is you replace the a in ax squared for the a. And our example problem would be negative x squared plus 17x minus 42 equals 0. So in that equation, you would substitute a for negative 1 because it comes in front of the x squared, the b for 17 because it comes in front of the x, and the c for negative 42 because it comes in front of nothing. It's the last one. That's just how it is. And so you plug all these into the equation,
And
which would be...
and just wait for a moment. It should end up something like this. So dictate it for me, my friend.
Okay, so it would be x equals negative 17 plus or minus the square root of 17 squared minus 4 times negative 1 times negative 42. Now, some of these equations can get big, so you might want to use a calculator.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Also, all over to negative 1.
Some of these equations can get big, so you might want to use a calculator.
I'm sorry.
So
You solve the square root first. So
you solve the stuff inside the square root
you solve the stuff inside the square root first.
So 17 squared is 289. Yeah, like I said, they can get some big numbers. And then negative 4 times negative 1 times negative 42 is negative 168. So that would all be inside the square root. Which would be over negative 2.
And you can solve the square root now. You can solve the bottom number now, and it'll be negative 2.
And so then the next step would be to subtract the numbers inside the square root, which would end up being 121. Now, we're lucky and 121 solves out to be
11.
11.
Yes.
I do math good.
Yeah, but Mr. Sal isn't here.
So, all over 2. So you can get an easy answer with this. And it would be negative 17 plus 11 over negative 2. And negative 17 minus 11 over 2.
With that, you should get
X. And when you solve those and simplify those, you should end up getting x equals 14 and x equals 3. And that is how you solve the quadratic equation.
It ain't that hard. Well, it gets hard at first, but you'll understand it later, so that's all.